difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So by the time you will be seeing this video, it will be 2020, so Happy New Year. I didn't post videos the whole Christmas week because I wanted to spend time with family, and so I just didn't post any videos during Christmas week, so I'm sorry for that. And it's 7:20 now, I woke up at 7 o'clock, I'm having my coffee. And this is the time when I do my hair care routine, so I'll take you through my hair care routine. And yeah, this is the best hair care routine in the world for teenagers, for men, for women, everyone except small kids. Small kids don't require anything. They have perfect hair. So let's jump right into the video. I start off my hair care routine by shampooing my hair with a silver shampoo. A silver shampoo tones down yellow color pigmentations in your hair, and you know, it brings new life to your hair color. But if you do not have color treated hair, I'd suggest you to opt for a shampoo which has no SLS and paraben. Emulsify the shampoo throughout your hair length and wash it off after 3 minutes, and then you're good to go. The second step I follow once a week, and that is I apply a hair mask on my hair. So the hair mask which I'm using is a coconut milk and avocado hair mask. I really love coconut milk. I even use a conditioner of coconut milk, and when I had normal black hair I used to use a shampoo of coconut milk, and yeah, everything coconut milk and avocado. I just love coconut milk and avocado. So I apply this hair mask throughout my hair length. Remember, after you shampoo your hair, just remove the excess water out of your hair. Like, leave your hair damp and then apply the conditioner. Apply the hair mask to yield best results. Like, you should do the same thing if you're using a conditioner too. That is on the other 6 days of the week when you're not applying a hair mask. So leave on the conditioner for 10 minutes. The same thing I do with the hair mask. Leave on the hair mask for 10 minutes, okay? And then wash it off. So, suppose you're using a hair mask on Sunday, then the rest of the days of the week you're going to use a conditioner. So, you get it, the hair mask and hair conditioner step is the same. You just have to follow it on different days. You got it, right? Next step is quite common, the hair oil step. And I just put 2 to 3 drops of hair oil on my hair, comb it nicely, let it air dry. If I'm going for a party, I will blow dry my hair, apply a volume cream and stuff. And as you can see, this is the end result. This is how my hair is looking, and this is my hair care routine. It's simple, it's effective, and it will keep your hair healthy, soft, shiny, good looking, and all those good things for your hair. So this wraps up my routine, my hair care routine. Hope you loved it. So that was the hair care routine I follow. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short hair care routine, and yeah, it's quite effective and quite helpful. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe so that you see more videos like this in the future, and also tap the notifications bell so that you are notified every single time I post a video. Also follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. My Instagram feed is pretty cool and I'm pretty sure you love it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!